Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel for the review of the new, about to be released, the Beardy Beard Co. Conditioning Beard Wash. Now, I received this quite a while ago as a pre-release product. Gail has been waiting on the labels and I'm so glad that I got it. Wow, I tell you what, it's one of these products that makes you just go, damn, it's so good, and you can't get enough, and I can't express how damn good it is, and I want to tell everyone about it. After all, that's the idea of the reviews. I point you to the very best of products. So this is what it looks like. Yes, it is kind of a whipped, creamy, souffle type product. A beard wash and a conditioner all in one. And so I filmed myself this morning with some of it in my beard. And as you can see, that rich, creamy lather, which really is exceptional because I live in a very hard water area. It is 112 milligrams per litre as calcium in our water. Run the hot tap here and the dissolved calcium in the water, it's just cloudy water. It's really awful. And as I say, that stops these products lathering. So if that's doing it here, if you lived in a soft water area, you're just going to have more lather than you know what to do with. Now then, they are available as the lemon patch and the morning coffee, and 100ml will cost you $10.95. It's a sneak peek of the labels. As I say, available from next week. Now then, I really love products like this. I like a handmade soap, and I say handmade soap, you say what else is there? Yes, they are both handmade. Going way off track here. You get the made from scratch soaps. And then you get the melt and pour, where someone's got a big block of soap, they melt it down, they add their fragrance, their colouring, and they sell it as their own. And this also happens with a lot of the beard shampoos that we buy. They get a big old 5 litre, whatever size, of a pre-made unfragranced liquid shampoo. They add their scent blend to that, get it assessed and approved, I hope, and marked as theirs. So when someone comes up with something like this, as Gail has, I really appreciate it, because this is a made from scratch from the beginning. Every single, she has researched this, tested, experimented, which must have been expensive, very time consuming and quite stressful, I should imagine. But she has got her rewards in this product. $10.95 for 100ml of this wash. It's going to last you a long while. Leaves your beard nice and clean, but it also leaves it so soft as one of my favourite, or my favourite beard conditioner that I recommend up to this point. This will go alongside that. They are equally as good, but you get a wash thrown in here as well. Go and check them out. Honestly, I really do highly recommend it. Don't leave it too long. Look for when the release comes out. I think this is going to be one of the ones where you go, I'm going to get me some of that. And you leave it a couple of days, you click on the website and you see it's all sold out. I really do foresee that happening with this product. It without doubt gets the Superior Product Golden Beard Award, just the new award that is just, I think there's about 40 products out of the 496 that I've now reviewed have got this. It just tells you that these are that really something extra special. And that is that. Don't forget to subscribe to the old channel, like the video, and I will see you next time. Take care.